Can you really earn $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google? Now, just recently I came across this video, and what I wanted to do, I wanted to go and actually test it to see whether it is actually possible to earn $1,000 in 30 minutes with Google. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to show you step by step and show you whether it is actually possible to actually earn this sort of money. Yeah, hi, it's Martin here from martinburt.online, and I'm here to actually show you different ways to make money online. And I also do what I call a I tested it actual playlist, where I go and actually test what other people have suggested that they have made online. Now today we're going to be testing this video here, and we're going to be walking through all the steps, so make sure you stay tuned. We're going to start right now, so let's head over and show you exactly what we have to do in order to follow the steps that he says in his video. So to find out if you can actually earn $1,000 in 30 minutes on Google, we are on Google itself, and what you want to do, the first thing you want to do, the first step is you want to search for Google News, and this is the site you want, news.google.com. Now, as you can see here, there are loads of different things here, worldwide, UK. Is either search for business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, or health. Any of those subjects. Anything else you don't really want to search about. We need to go and find something now that is actually in the news right now. So if we go over to look at health, for argument's sake, so once you get onto the latest news, then you're going to choose another category. So actually drill down into this category. So I want to choose a nutrition, and then you can choose one of these recent articles here. So, and I found this article here, 5 hacks an Italian dietitian uses to make healthy eating easier. We all want to eat healthier, so this is a very good topic that could get a lot of views. We just want to go into the actual article here. So all we now need to do is literally copy all this article into a Word document. Now, if you haven't got Microsoft Word, you could obviously use just Google Docs, and that is totally free. So you can use that as well. Now, once you've got it all in one place, because sometimes these are quite long, we now need to actually go and spin it. This is what he's telling you to do, is to go and use a site called Spinbot. So all I've done is loaded up the article here, and then all you need to do is press basic spin. What this does, this will then spin the article and it'll rewrite it, okay? So there we go. It's just literally taken a few seconds, and instead of being 3,500 letters long, it's now 4,000 letters long. The only problem I have with this is I went and put this through a plagiarism website to see how unique this content was, but it wasn't very unique at all. There were lots of copied bits, and you're going to come unstuck if you actually use a Spinbot, because there are better things out there that you can actually use. But I'm also, stay tuned right to the very end, because you're going to need to know everything about this before you actually go and do this, so make sure you stay tuned. Plus, another tool you could use ChatGPT or some similar AI tool. As you can see, I've got the unique article here. All I did, I just said, please reword this article to make it unique content, okay, and then just click the button, and then what it did, gave me this article here. Now, what I did go and do then, I took this article and I actually put it into the editpad.org, which is a plagiarism checker. So this checks how unique this article is. So this is the article in here that ChatGPT has actually done for me, and as you can see, it's 100% unique. And once you've got your unique content, you now need to find websites that are looking for people to post articles. In the video, this guy recommends eatingwell.com, and as you can see, this does various different things: healthy recipes, diet, special diets, diabetes, healthy living, healthy lifestyle. So it does fit really well on this website. And I had a look, and they're actually offering you $1 per word if your article is actually accepted onto their website. So the unique words in this article is just over 600. So what you're going to get for this article, if it got accepted, you would get about $600, and they will pay you directly into your PayPal account. So that is true. What he says, you can get paid directly into your PayPal account. But he obviously mentions that it's free PayPal money, which is obviously not free. You're going to have to do quite a bit of work here. What I've also found is I dived down to a little bit easier. I thought this just cannot be this easy to do. What I did, I went in a little bit deeper, and I actually found out, while I was checking to find out where I could send this article to, I actually come across various things here. And this is originality. So our goal at Eating Well is to provide original, factual, unbiased content. Okay, so it must be verified, properly attributed, and may not infringe any copyright or anyone else's intellectual property rights. Any suggestion of plagiarism is investigated fully. And obviously, it says further down here, we aspire to provide the highest quality content produced by humans for humans. It is against our guidelines to publish automatically generated content using artificial intelligence or tools or writing tools such as ChatGPT, which is what I've just done. But we've also used the spin bot as well, which is he tells you what to do. And again, that is not human to human. So again, you're using a bot or a actual tool to pre-produce the article. All of this is a little bit of a grey area. What I would say is personally, if you are well established already writing a blog in this space, then yes, you probably could just write something in your own words and you could actually get this published by contacting them. Could you actually get something published by just doing these tips here? You would open yourself up to copyright laws. So if you want to take that chance, personally, it wouldn't be for me. I would want to actually produce something myself that I could say, yes, I've produced this, and I own the copyright to it, rather than actually do what we've just done in this video, which is what this guy has said in this video. So all in all, yes, you could probably earn money. No, you're not going to earn $1,000 in 30 minutes. It took me well over an hour to sort all this out and actually go and find places to actually promote it and that sort of thing. So it's going to take a while. It's going to be something that you need to obviously do a bit of research on, and it will take a while. So it's a bit misleading there. And will you make $1,000 out of an article? Obviously, with this site, no, because it's only going to actually pay you $1 per word, and if you're only writing 600 words, it's only going to pay you a maximum of 600. Now, this way of making money is definitely okay, but there are certain rules and regulations you will have to abide by to not get your business shut down. And at the end of the day, you don't want someone coming knocking on the door saying, this has got a copyright on it, you used it, we are going to sue you. That's the last thing you want. Be totally transparent here. Yes, this could be a business that you could make a little bit of money at every month. Probably some, if you're a very good writer and you've got lots of information, you can get down lots of topics, etc. You could actually get quite a few articles published a month. And yes, you could probably earn a full-time income at this. But $1,000 a day in $1,000 every 30 minutes, no. You definitely are not going to probably be able to do that. It's going to take time and effort to do that. And that is why a lot of people are not doing it, because they haven't got the time and they don't want to put in the effort. It's as simple as that. But of course, if you are willing to put in time and effort, you can do various jobs like this, and you can do what I do, and that is affiliate marketing online. If you want to know more about that, you can dive over to my website, and you can actually click on the first link at the top, Affiliate Profit Formula, where I give a free mini course away where you can actually go through and start your journey in affiliate marketing. Plus, you can join my online community where I'll actually guide you and answer any questions you have so that you can actually start making your first $1,000 online. If this interests you, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Okay, trust you found it useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.